Good afternoon, friends. Today is 23 January. Let's start today's current affairs session. Question number 1. What is the name of new weapon developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) that is projected from Hawk Advanced Jet Trainer? Answer to this question is SA Smart Anti Airfield Weapon. Actually, this is the first of its type. It is first anti-airfield weapon that is developed by HAL. Question number 2. Who is DG of world's largest paramilitary force? Actually, world's largest paramilitary force is our CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force, and its Director General is AP Maheshwari. Question number 3. From which country India decided to boat 23 MiG-29 and 12 Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter plane? Answer to this question is Russia. Let's know more about Russia. Russia capital is Moscow. Currency of Russia is Russian ruble. President of Russia is Vladimir Putin. Question number 4. Which country is top in global firepower ranking? Answer to this question is America. America is number 1. Russia is at number 2. China is at number 3. And our country, India, is at number 4. Question number 5. Which state has launched Project Lighthouse? Answer to this question is Goa. Question number 6. Which campaign is launched by central government to tackle emerging issue of hesitancy and misinformation surrounding COVID-19 vaccines? Answer to this question is Education and Communication Campaign. Question number 7. Whose book Big Billion Startup The Untold Flipkart Story wins Gaja Capital Business Book Prize 2020? Answer to this question is Mihar Dalal. Question number 8. When we observe National Girl Child Week? Answer to this question is 21 to 26 January 2021. And one more fact, National Girl Child Day is celebrated 24 Jan everywhere. Question number 9. Where will aquatic quarantine facility will be set up? So answer to this question is Padappi, Chennai. Question number 10. Who is our Union Coal Minister now? Answer to this question is Prahlad Joshi. Question number 11. Where is first small scale LNG? LNG means liquefied natural gas supply infrastructure of Shell Energy India inaugurated? Answer to this question is Hazira in Gujarat. Let's know more about Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar and the state is formed 1 May 1960. Governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devvrat and CM of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Question number 12. Where is military exercise Kavach will be conducted? Answer to this question is Andaman and Nicobar Ice Command, and it is only Joint Force Command of India, in which Air Force, Navy and Coast Guard and Indian Army, all Indian forces participate. So it is only Joint Force Command of India, that is Andaman and Nicobar Command. Question number 13. Which government has started doorstep ration delivery? Answer to this question is Andhra Pradesh. And let's know more about Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the only state in India which has 3 capitals. Its legislative capital is Amravati, its executive capital is Visakhapatnam, and its judicial capital is Kurnool. The state is formed in 1 October 1953, and the governor of Andhra Pradesh is Vishbhushan Harichandan, and CM of Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy. Question number 14. Who inaugurated 7th edition of Massacre Day 2021? Answer to this question is Dr. Harshvardhan, and Dr. Harshvardhan is our Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare. Question number 15. Who wins Italian Super Cup? Answer to this question is Juventus, and he wins by beating Napoli. Question number 16. Which GI tagged thing of West Bengal is exported for first time? Answer to this question is Joyanagar Moa. Question number 17. Which is only beach in Gujarat to have blue flag certification? Answer to this question is Shivrajpur Beach. And recently the Union government has decided to raise the fund of Shivrajpur Beach. Question number 18. What is the theme of 2-day annual India Digital Summit 2021? Answer to this question is Atmanirbhar Bharat, start of a new decade. Question number 19. Which IAF, means Indian Air Force Academy, celebrates Golden Jubilee recently? Answer to this question is Air Force Academy at Hyderabad. Today's question session is over. Let's discuss last video question, which I ask: who is a player of decade in cricket in ODI and T20? Answer to this question is Virat Kohli. And one more fact: in Test, this award goes to Steven Smith of Australia. Today is your own question. You have to answer in comment box. What is first film that is what is first non-English language film to win Oscar award? You have to answer in comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.